In this video, let's see the various methods that we will adopt to evaluate integrals. Up till now, we have learned some formulas based on integrals, but those formulas are not enough for the study of integrals in detail. And seeing a question, how to know how to evaluate that particular integral will be known when you know the techniques and the methods of integration. So, the heading is methods of integration, and there are basically three main methods of integration and the fourth one being miscellaneous, which we will not take up in the category. So, the first method and the most popular method of integration, which will help you crack many your questions, is integration by substitution. It is integration by substitution. The second method, which again you will use for some particular kind of question, is integration using partial fractions. And the last but not the least method that we may be using to solve certain type of integration questions would be integration by parts. Integration by parts. So, you must obviously be aware of all the three methods. You will not be told in the question as to solve this question by integration by parts. No, you will be given a random question telling you evaluate this integral. Now, you will have to crack in that particular time frame that has been given to you how to do this question. If you have practiced many questions, you will directly come to know, okay, this question can be done say using partial fractions. Oh no, this question cannot be done by integration by substitution. I have to do by parts, like that. So, these three are the main methods, and obviously we will have to study all of these in detail. So, we will be studying all of these in detail in the successive videos.